How to build a working mech inside of Animal Company. The first thing we're going to start is the arms, which is a very simple process. I got a brown bag, a blue bag, a plunger, and the ogre arm. I'm going to start with the plunger. I'm going to put it on like that. Then you're going to get the blue bag and kind of like the top of it. You want to attach it like that. Get your other boot. The bottom of it, and then place it on. And then we're gonna attach more goop on that brown bag. Then attach it like this. Did I? I made it sideways. Is that better? Yeah. And we have our first arm built. Now we're just gonna do that one more time. Okay, second arm is complete. We have 2 arms now. Now we gotta start working on the body. You're gonna need a box. And a small bag. And what you wanna do is get a piece of tape. Attach it there. Wait, no. Attach it on the bag. So now when you put it on, I already have it back on. When you put it on, you look like this. Then you can grab onto your arms. It kind of looks like you're piloting a mech. Now we just have to add the weapons. So the first arm, it's not really a weapon, but it really helps. I'm gonna add a hook shot to the arm. Now we have a hook shot. I don't know if we need to add another one. Okay, this works fine. For a final weapon, it's gonna be like a laser. Goop on. Careful with this part. So many times I've screwed this up. Okay, it's put on the body, and then we have our 2 arms, and our mech is complete. Look at this, a little mech. Subscribe for more goop builds.